Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I want to share 5 websites that you can use to start making money online. So if you're somebody who's seen all these other people talking about how much money they're making online, they don't have to work at a regular 9-to-5 job, they're making 6 figures a year, and you want to use the power of the internet to start earning money online as well, then I'm going to be sharing 5 different websites in this video so you can start earning money online. But before I go any further, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here, and you're interested in learning different methods to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me just get right into it. So the first website is going to be Upwork. So this is basically a website where you get paid for providing services online, like graphic design, web development, marketing, writing, and the list goes on and on. So if you're somebody who has the knowledge to provide any kind of skills or services online, then this might be a good option for you to go with. So basically how it would work is that you sign up for Upwork, and then basically you list the kind of service that you're going to be providing. When somebody contacts you, then you provide the service and then you get paid. It's basically that simple. Now there's people out there who are making a full-time income by freelancing. So if you're somebody who wants to work from home, then this is going to be a great option for you. Now, if you don't know how to provide any type of online services, the best advice that I have for you is just to take the time to learn. Go on YouTube University, just type in any kind of skill that you're trying to learn, and you're going to learn. Basically, you're going to come across videos that are going to teach you step by step how to provide that service. Now, the next website is called User Testing. So this is a website that pays you to go to other websites or apps and complete a set of actions and then speak your thoughts out loud. And then you get paid. Now basically what you need in order to sign up for user testing is you need a computer with internet access, you need to be 18 years or older, and then you need to be able to download their testing software. And they pay you through PayPal. So basically you go to a website or an app, you complete a set of actions, and then you speak your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid. Now if you're wondering how much they pay you, they state right there on their website that they pay you between $10 to $20 per test. So, it's not going to earn you a full-time income. You're not going to be retiring, just working from home, being on user testing. So, it's just going to be something to earn some extra money. Now, the third website is called Text Broker. Now, this website is for people who are looking to make money by writing articles. Now, just to give you guys a quick disclaimer, this website is only available for the people in the United States as of this time. Now, they have a few requirements in order to sign up. So one of them is that you have to show proof of your US citizenship, and then the next thing is that you need to complete a writing sample. Now the reason why they have you complete a writing sample is so they can evaluate your writing skill. And they pay you based on how well that you write articles. Now if you're wondering how they pay you, they basically pay you per word. So let's just say, for example, that you're writing a 1,000-word article and your writing skill is at a 3-star level. So that means they're going to pay you $10. Now I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but if you are writing at a 5-star level for 1,000 words, they're going to pay you $50. So I would recommend Text Broker to anybody who likes to write and they're looking to improve their writing skills, because you can earn some serious money if you're writing at a 5-star level. Now the next website is called Line. Now if you've ever seen anybody riding around on those electric scooters, they pay to rent out those scooters for a limited amount of time, and then they basically leave them on the sidewalk, or that's where they're supposed to anyways. But those scooters, they need to be recharged every day basically. So you can make money by picking up these scooters on the street, taking them home and charging them. So how it works is that you go to lime.com and then you sign up to become a juicer, and then they're going to send you a charger where you can charge up to 4 scooters at one time. And if you're looking to charge more than that at one time, you can just order another one. And then basically you pick up the scooters, you take them home, you charge them, and then you get paid. So when you download the app, it'll show you on a map where those scooters are and how much they're going to pay you to charge each scooter. Now if you're wondering how much they pay you to charge each scooter, it varies depending on, the time and then the location and how low the battery is on the scooter. So they pay around between $4 to $8 per scooter. So once you finish charging the scooter, you have to put them back out on the street in the morning so people can use them. So I would recommend this method for people who have a pickup truck or a van so they can pick up a good amount of scooters at one time. Now the last website that I want to talk about is called Amazon Associates. So I'm sure many of you have heard about this website already. So basically, this is the affiliate program for Amazon. So you sign up to become an associate for Amazon, and once you're approved, you can promote anything that is sold on Amazon as an affiliate. So let's say that you're promoting a toaster that's sold on Amazon. If somebody clicks on your affiliate link to buy that toaster and they purchase it, then you would earn a small commission. Now, the only downside about using Amazon as affiliate marketing is that they pay very low commissions. If you guys are looking for other methods or other websites that you can use to earn more money as an affiliate, I would recommend ClickBank because they're free to sign up with, or JVZoo. Now, if you're looking for tips when it comes to affiliate marketing, then check out my free ebook down in the description below called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, and I go into more detail about what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can use it to make money online. So these are the 5 websites that I wanted to talk about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys take advantage of these websites so you can start earning money online. And if you guys want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And if you guys want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then check out the first link in the top of the description to learn more. Whoops, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.